Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in this session I am going to show to you about how to download or how to make USB pen drive as a bootable device for installing Windows 10 OS on any machine. So as a prerequisite we need to have the at least 16 GB of pen drive. Okay, as I already connected the pen drive. Okay, this is my pen drive and right now it is empty. So first of all, if you have any data on your pen drive, just format the pen drive. Okay, just click on start, then click on OK, then automatically your pen drive will be formatted. Pen drive is nothing but USB. Once the USB has been formatted done, the further step will be you need to check out the process. So here just go to Google, type Windows. Yeah, your format has been completed. Click on OK, just click close. Then you have the pen drive which is 16 GB of pen drive. Okay, minimum 16 GB, it's a 14 GB, but you have the 16 GB. Okay, uh, just go to the browser and type here Windows 10 ISO. Then the Microsoft.com, it is the official website page. You need to go here to download the Windows 10 ISO file. First of all, you need to download the file, means you need to download the tool now. So just click on download tool now. The tool will be downloaded. Once the tool has been downloaded, just go to downloads and double click on it. It will make the thing. Just click on S. It will appear some page. So getting a few things ready page. So it will check the prerequisites. So once the things has been done, you will have the options to show out here. So you need to check as per the requirements. I will show to you the point pin to pin step. Then you can be able to do the same from your end. By doing these things, you will be able to make your pen drive that will be ready to deploy OS on any missions. Okay, this is the procedure. What I'm showing to you is you are going to make your empty pen drive as a bootable disk for installing Windows 10 OS. In the similar, it is not only Windows 10, for Windows 11 is also a similar procedure. You just need to type Windows 11 download IS for download, and accordingly it will allow you to download the tool. So automatically it will be make your pen drive as a bootable device. Okay, still it is getting a few things ready. So once this has done the things, automatically the options will be available to you. So you need to select those options. Okay, so in the meanwhile, if you want to show the process how, suppose I want to Windows 11, as recently some most of the companies are moving to Windows 11 as well. Just click here. In the similar way, there is no much difference is there. Just you need to before you go into the media creation tool, just you need to create the download installation media. Download now. Okay, fine. Still it is going on. We need to wait for some time. Yes, I am going to accept. So once we have accept the terms and condition, the next stage will be appear for us. We need to wait for some time until the things getting ready. Suppose if your laptop is good speed, just before doing that you need to check whether your laptop is in good condition, means good speed, and at the same time you need to check whether your internet speed is also in the good condition. I minimum required 30 Mbps is recommended. Suppose if you have the internet speed more than 30 Mbps, that will be very nice. Minimum you need to check 30 Mbps, because of suppose if it is 10 Mbps it will be done, but it will take some too much time to get it downloaded, because of by using this installation media tool we are getting download the ISO file from the internet through Microsoft portal. If you are having the good internet speed, then it become little bit easy and it will save your time to get it downloaded. If you do not have the better bandwidth, then you don't need worry, but it will take a little bit more time than the usual, but rest of the process will be same. Still it is going on. We need to wait until the things getting done. Okay, and once these things are done, you need to connect the pen drive to the laptop which you want to format is nothing but you need to deploy OS. So the procedure will be, I will cover in the next video. You want to upgrade this PC or no? I just want to create installation media, USB flash drive or DVD or ISO file. Right now I have the USB flash drive with me as I already connected to my laptop. Just click on next. You don't need to done anything, just click on next. USB flash drive ISO file. It needs at least 8 GB. Okay, it's better if you have the 16 GB of pen drive. Okay, just click on next, and this is my pen drive. Okay, next the process will be initiated. It will take some time based on the connectivity of internet you have. So once the process has been done, almost it will take some time. Once the fixed time has been done, you will get the option to finish the task. So once you finish the task, then your pen drive will be ready to deploy OS, not the any OS. It's Windows 10 OS, because we had downloaded the Windows 10 OS from the Microsoft portal. The same OS will be able to deploy any other mission which you have. Okay, this is the procedure you need to follow. I hope you guys enjoy the session. Thank you for joining my session. Bye bye.